Every 60 seconds in our country, an animal is physically abused. Up to 100,000 animals are victims of the cruelty of being beaten or neglected. I believe that all animals should be treated with the same respect as humans. Something I will never forget was 6 summers ago in the middle of July. The weather was at the point where as soon as you stepped outside, you could feel beads of sweat rolling down your forehead. But the weather isn't a problem when you're in a nice air-conditioned car, in which I was, along with my 2 sisters and my mom. Driving down a street lined with houses on both sides, we all were enjoying the car ride and the look of summer out the windows, the fresh green grass, trees full with leaves, and children playing in their front yards. We continued to drive down the street, then turned onto another. As we turned, we passed a small alley in the back of the house, dark and shady, barely noticeable due to the dead leaves and trees consuming the space. Passing the alley, all 4 of us in the car noticed the same thing. A small dog limped, trying to make his way out of the overgrown alley. We drove closer and got out of the car to get a better look at the animal. The dog was scared to even walk towards us, but when he did, we saw the matted fur and ticks embedded in his skin. The thing that stuck out the most about the dog was his missing left eye. We took the dog to a shelter, knowing that it had been neglected and left to fend for itself. Seeing this dog made me think of all the animals that are abused and neglected. Neglect and abandonment are the most common forms of companion animal abuse in the U.S. At least 8 million animals are abandoned or put in shelters each year. This is a problem that can be prevented but continues to be a growing issue. People in our country need to think about the reality of animal abuse. Maybe they need to realize that helpless animals are dying each day from being violently abused, starved, or abandoned. Too many people think that this isn't a problem when it gets worse every day. From this experience, I learned that animal abuse is more common than you think, and it is everywhere. Being in that situation in real life and seeing how real this can be made me want to make others see how real animal abuse is. I think if everyone is aware, everyone can help to prevent and maybe even stop animal abuse. I believe that all animals should be treated with the same respect as humans.